This house for renovation is in Georgi Dobrevo, a sleepy hamlet, and the house overlooks the quiet village. The grass is very overgrown, has not been lived in for a very long time. Inside the house is a blank canvas. The room on the left has had water piped to it, but this can be changed. The rear room still has the original wallpaper. There is space in the corridor for a shower room at one end. And the main room is light and airy, with original wooden floorboards. The adjacent fallen down barn could be roofed with a flat roof to make a veranda leading off this room, which has lovely views. So back out, and underneath the house is a basement. A large, cool area, big enough for another room, or just to store your produce, your preserves, your homemade wine, and your rakia. You see straight up to the floorboards. The house is stone base with red brick upper. The roof would benefit from a rework and addition of guttering.